Good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. I'm Adrian. I'm still in Sydney, Australia, and today we have a very special guest for you guys because I want you, of course, to be like fluent in English, but I want you to understand every single accent that you can hear, you know, like in the streets, meeting people abroad, and for example in Australia. So, my dear, please, could you introduce yourself to everyone watching this video?
Yeah, for sure. So I'm Pablo, and I'm living in Australia. I'm a student. Yeah.
And where do you come from?
I come from Colombia originally. Yeah.
Okay.
So.
And how long have you been in Australia? Because your English is so good.
Thank you. Well, it's a bit of a funny story actually, because I was so I lived in Colombia and my parents came here first when I was 3 years old.
Okay.
And then we went back when I was 6.
Okay.
So when I was very little, living here in Australia, you pick up a lot of English. So that helped out a lot. Yeah, that's why it's so good. And then we came back when I was 14 and I've been here ever since, yeah.
So basically English is like a mother tongue for you,
Yeah,
right?
I've talked to many people about it. Some people say like, oh, you are completely bilingual. Some say, no, you have a mother tongue and the other one. It's a big mix at the moment. It's really 50-50. Yeah.
Mother tongue, guys. Langue maternelle. Donc là, vous reconnaissez évidemment le mot mère et tongue, c'est la langue, bien évidemment. The good thing is like, Pablo parle français.
Ouais. Je me peux débrouiller un peu en français. Je l'ai étudié ici en Sydney avec l'Alliance.
Oh, it's next to right in the city center, right?
Yeah, it is right in the city center.
Okay, not very far from here, actually.
No, I'd say what, 10-minute walk?
Yeah, I think so.
Probably.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, well, you have already answered this one, but maybe you could add something. Why did you come to Australia in the first place?
Right, okay. So the first time that my parents came when I was 3 years old, they really liked the life here. You know, it's very safe, it is very green, the weather is amazing. So when we went back, my parents sort of got their life together back in Colombia, but they could never forget how good life is here.
Okay.
So we started the migration process again, and it's a really long story, but it has a really nice happy ending, which is that we were able to stay here. Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you. It was quite difficult, but yeah, that's why we came. Better opportunities, much better education, and yeah, lots of chances.
Okay, and this is a great opportunity for you guys to get used to like English. I know that we speak a bit quick. It's a bit fast, maybe a bit fast for you guys. Don't worry, that's fine, because the most important for you is not to understand everything, every word. It is just to pick up the meaning, the general idea in each sentence, okay? This is very important. And also, I want to add something, and maybe in French. Si vous ne l'avez pas fait, vous pouvez encore vous inscrire à la session de formation gratuite. C'est la seconde et donc dernière pour la rentrée. Ça s'appelle le plan précis pour parler anglais dans les semaines qui viennent. Et c'est à 15h, heure de Paris, mon cher Pablo, mardi 10 septembre. Pour t'inscrire, s'il reste des places, tu cliques sur le i en haut à droite ou sur le lien qui est sous la vidéo. Et en fait, c'est un free training, for 1 hour. Et on parle de pronunciation, how to understand English and how to practice English, basically.
Okay.
So guys, up to you if you want to improve your English. Continuons si vous le voulez bien. So basically, like you speak Spanish, of course.
Yeah.
You speak English.
Yeah.
French.
Yeah, conversationally, yeah.
Okay, and how many languages do you know? Like
so those 3 and this. Well, actually, at the end of last year, I decided to start with German.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Kannst du Deutsch?
Kannst du Deutsch? Ja, ich lerne
Sehr
Deutsch.
schön. Okay, nice. So you speak like 4 languages?
I'm trying to, yeah. I mean, German is very basic, what I'm able to speak, but yeah, get in there.
Okay, very nice. So do you work part-time also?
Yeah, so I work part-time selling phones on like Westfield here in Bondi. It's Westfield, what would you call that? A mall. I guess.
A mall. Okay, wait, yeah. A mall. Oh, sorry.
Oh, but Bondi is with.
The E?
Yeah.
Sorry, my bad. A mall. C'est un centre commercial in American English. Okay, guys. And Bondi is like the most famous place in Australia.
Probably.
Or beach, actually. So,
Bondi Beach, yeah.
Yeah, Bondi Beach. So you sell phones in a shop?
Yeah,
in a mall.
Sell phones, and that's pretty much what I do. Yeah, I go to university, go to Sydney Uni. I'm studying education in languages.
Okay.
So to be a history teacher and a languages teacher. So yeah.
And is it hard for you to find a job as a student here in Australia?
Well, so you mean like a student, like a person on a student visa, or you mean a person like me that studies but is a citizen?
Like a citizen.
Oh, okay. I don't think so. There's plenty of jobs. You just have to apply a lot, you know. The problem here, I guess, is that they always tell you to apply online, and I feel that that's very different to how many people do things. Many people like to go into a place and give their CV or their curriculum and be like, "Hi, this is me. Can I get a job?" But many of the big companies, you just have to apply online. So you go on their website, you fill in everything.
To apply, c'est donner sa candidature en fait. Alors en mauvais français, on dit candidater, et en bon français, on dit se porter candidat pour quelque chose. To apply for a job.
Ouais.
Yeah.
Postuler peut-être.
Postuler, merci beaucoup, ouais. C'est beaucoup mieux. Vous voyez, c'est ce qui se passe quand vous vivez dans un environnement anglophone pendant une semaine. Vous parlez français n'importe comment. Donc, j'espère que vous n'allez pas m'en tenir rigueur, chers amis. To apply for a job. Ça, vous pouvez le mettre dans votre cahier d'apprentissage parce que you can apply for citizenship, for example.
Yeah,
right?
Absolutely.
Pour avoir la nationalité et non pas to apply for nationality. Non, to apply for citizenship.
La citoyenneté.
Citoyenneté. But citoyenneté is like political concept.
Oh.
You will say like in French, it's like nationalité. Avoir la nationalité australienne, avoir la nationalité américaine. Okay. So it looks like French. This is from French, of course, but you have to pay attention because in French we don't say postuler pour la citoyenneté.
No,
we would say like postuler pour avoir la nationalité australienne.
Okay.
So also for you guys, it's interesting to know that you have to apply for citizenship and not nationality. Okay?
Yeah.
Thank you very much for listening and watching. Okay. Pablo.
Yes.
Next question would be, do you plan to stay in Australia your whole life, or do you know? Would you like to live, for example, in Europe? Would you like to go back to Colombia?
Yeah, for sure. So that's part of the plan as well, why I learned so many languages. A big plan is to like go travel overseas. I actually already have plans to go live in Spain as soon as I finish my
Really?
degree. Yeah.
And where to in Spain?
I don't know yet. They just have this program where if you're once you finish university in Sydney, you can go over there for like 6 months to a year and be in.
Is it like a work holiday visa also?
No, kind of. So you become an English assistant teacher.
Oh, got it.
So you can go over there, and that's the plan, to be there for a year, maybe then France to finish improving on my French, and then maybe Germany.
And this is an academic exchange program, right?
No. This is after university, once it's finished.
To be an assistant teacher?
Yes.
Okay.
English assistant teacher. So that's in Spain. I don't know what I would do in France or Germany, but
okay. You're very much welcome if you want to come to France.
For sure.
100% sure. So we need people who are able to speak English.
To speak English.
Trust me.
I've met many people from France here. There's so many people from France here in Sydney now.
And they have a big accent when they speak English, or it's all right?
It's all right. Yeah, you know, there's the big problem words that they have, like horse. It's not horse, it's horse. You know, the H is always a big problem.
Yeah, like we say home instead of home.
Yeah, home instead of home.
Yeah, you have to pronounce the H. You may not say home, but you have to say home. Home.
That's right. Oh, Thursday, you know.
Thursday, the TH.
The TH is always difficult.
It's a nightmare for us. Yeah,
for everyone. It's a really hard English sound.
So, jeudi is... Wait. We want you to try, guys.
Okay.
Jeudi is... Okay, you really have to try. Okay, you can do it in your head. Because I know that many people, they will not try. So please do it. Okay, once again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're gonna correct your pronunciation. I mean, Pablo is gonna help. Could you please pronounce this word for us?
So it's Thursday.
Thursday?
Thursday.
Come again?
Thursday.
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 Thursday. Donc la langue, elle vient contre les incisives du O et après, elle sort un petit peu et vous soufflez en même temps. Thursday. Thursday.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ok. Perfect. Donc, au passage, c'est jeudi, à ne pas confondre avec
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Yeah.
So Tuesday is mardi. But I'm sure you already know that, guys. So congratulations. Well, one final question.
Okay. Do you have any advice or like things we should know before coming to Australia?
Yeah, oh, plenty. I have plenty. So first thing, don't be scared of like the spiders or the animals. Sydney is a city. I see many people like as soon as they get off their plane, they think there's snakes everywhere or spiders everywhere. Sydney is a city. You don't need to worry about that. Every once in a while there might be a spider, like a big one, but it's
A
very
snake?
rare. No snakes. No snakes
snake?
for sure. No.
Okay.
So that's thing number one. Thing number two, if you have the chance to come and you're able to save up a little bit of money, I definitely do recommend. I haven't done it myself, but I've met like hundreds of people where I work because I have to deal with lots of people. Get a car, rent a car, and drive all the way up to Cairns. So that drive normally takes, if you go slow, probably 2 weeks. You get to see all of the eastern coast, you get to see many beautiful beaches, and it's really wonderful. So definitely do that, give that a go. And
Wait. This is the name of the city you're
Yeah.
talking about.
Cairns.
Cairns. Okay. So basically, if you have Australia, like this, okay?
Yeah.
So this is Sydney, this is Melbourne, and this is Cairns,
Yes.
right?
Yes. Right.
So you can go from here. So you rent a car in Sydney,
Yeah.
and then up north,
Yeah.
and you can see like right here all the coast.
All the coast. Yeah. And here, so you would have the Great Barrier Reef,
Yes.
which is definitely a must.
Yeah. On the eastern.
Yeah, the-
Sorry, guys.
Which is definitely a must to see.
Yeah. So Sydney, Melbourne. Je sais pas si vous avez bien vu le tableau. Melbourne, Sydney, Cairns.
Yeah.
And then you go up the coast like that, and you have the Great
Great Barrier Reef.
Great Barrier Reef.
La grande
Sorry,
barrière
yeah.
de corail.
La Grande Barrière de Corail, exactly. So let me write it for you guys. Great Barrier, right?
Yeah.
Reef.
Reef.
Reef, c'est le récif
Yes.
in French.
Yes.
Reef, long I, reef, Great Barrier Reef,
Definitely,
which is like
definitely.
beautiful, but it's being quite impacted by climate
Yeah,
change, unfortunately.
Definitely. That's why you should go before it's all gone.
Oh my God, this is so
Sadly.
sad.
Yeah.
I think we should wrap up this interview with a very positive note. That's why I want you guys to know these two words. This is a joke, huh? Because this is absolutely not positive in my opinion. Spider and snake. So a spider
That's
is, do you know that in
Araignée.
French? Araignée.
Araignée.
Exactly.
And a serpent.
Serpent, okay? But you have none of these in Sydney. This is safe, okay, guys? So come over. Come.
Come over.
Come.
Definitely
Okay.
come.
Have you ever been to France?
No, never. It's my big dream.
Okay.
Since I was like 12, I've been wanting to go to France.
Okay, you still have a lot of time to come over.
Yeah, definitely. I love France. I've read like their history, the food, the language. I know quite
Art
a
de
lot about
vivre.
France. L'art de vivre. Yeah.
Very nice. The wine, the food, the cheese, the beautiful landscapes.
Yeah.
And
Well,
we have some friendly people too.
you have lots of friendly people. Oh, by the way, this is going to France. So I'm just going to say, from an Australian perspective, it should definitely be chocolatine, not pain au chocolat.
How come?
I had a lot of friends from Toulouse.
Do disagree. This is the war. This is always divides French people. I'm always, allez-y les Toulousains, c'est dit chocolatine, papa au chocolat.
Si vous êtes d'accord avec moi et en bon français, en français civilisé, je plaisante évidemment,
Non.
attention. Si vous pensez comme moi qu'on devrait dire pain au chocolat, voilà. Pour les gens qui parlent vraiment français,
Les gens qui vont apprendre
mettez
mieux,
un commentaire juste en dessous.
les gens qui parlent beaucoup mieux anglais, ils vont dire chocolatine.
Okay, so my English is so bad, guys. Anyway, pain au chocolat. Okay. Thank you so much,
Thank
Pablo.
you.
This
Thank
is so
you.
nice of you. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this interview. Remember, si vous ne l'avez toujours pas fait, vous pouvez vous inscrire à la session, la dernière session pour cette rentrée. Il y en avait deux. La seconde, c'est ce mardi à 15h, mardi 10 septembre. Heure de Paris, on va parler pronunciation, how to understand English, how to practice English. Ça dure environ 1 heure, c'est sur Internet, c'est en direct, on est ensemble. Les places sont limitées par contre, donc si vous voulez réserver la vôtre, vous cliquez sur le lien qui est en haut à droite. Il est juste là, il est au-dessus de ta tête, là, tu vois. Ouais. Or below the video, you have a link and you can click on it. Thank you again, Pablo. This
No
is
worries.
very, very nice. So guys,
Thank you.
we have to say many thanks to Pablo because he took the time to come over here and to record the interview. So this is great.
Yeah, for sure.
So if you like it, just do that.
Give it a like.
Yep.
I've always wanted to say it.
Yeah. You
Press
can
the like button and subscribe. Yes.
to this wonderful YouTube channel down there. So guys, see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.